In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1931, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever protects the honor of another Muslim will be protected from hellfire by Allah, the Exalted. Just like a Muslim would desire others to protect their honor in their presence or absence, they should protect the honor of others in their presence or absence also. In fact, loving for others what one desires for themselves is the characteristic of a true believer, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. A Muslim should protect the honor of others when anyone else speaks ill about them, such as backbiting or slander, irrespective of if what they are saying is true or not. This is an aspect of concealing the faults of others and leads to Allah, the Exalted, concealing their faults in both worlds. This is advised in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 225. Behaving in such a manner is a clear proof of one's love for others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, which is a characteristic which leads to paradise, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2688. The main narration under discussion clearly shows that a Muslim benefits from supporting others, so even if they are too preoccupied from caring about others, they should at least act in this manner for their own sake. This reality applies to all good deeds, such as charity. One only benefits themselves through the reward they gain when they perform good deeds. Allah, the Exalted, has no need for anyone to obey Him, and the needy will be provided for, one way or another. Allah, the Exalted, only gives opportunities to people to gain reward by helping others. In addition, the one who fails to defend the honor of others when they have the opportunity and strength to do so, without fear of harm, should fear that Allah, the Exalted, will not protect their honor in a time and place where it is being violated by others, and especially on the day of resurrection. Finally, as the main narration under discussion advises protecting the honor of others, it indirectly indicates the importance of not violating the honor of others. This is in fact the very sign of a true Muslim and believer, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998. Specifically, it advises that a true Muslim and believer keeps their verbal and physical harm away from the self and possessions of others.